Hello friends, my name is Azamasu. Today we will discuss about the topic root cause analysis. Friend, this is a very important topic. As a project manager, you should know that how to solve the problems. And whenever we talk about problem solving, a very important approach that is called a root cause analysis. This is very important to solve the problem. So friend, if you are studying project management, so please remember that this is a very important topic with respect to exam, and you will definitely see this topic in the exam. So you must know, you must have a clear concept about root cause analysis, and your mind should be clear. Also friend, if you are a professional project manager, as a professional project manager and as a practical life, it's very important that you must know that what is root cause analysis and how to solve these issues. So friend, first of all, let's just start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Root cause analysis. Friend, root cause analysis is a project management methodology that attempts to get the bottom of a problem. The root cause analysis aims to help resolve consumer complaints about quality, fix problems that occur in the production process, or create more productive processes. Once the identified, the root cause will help eliminate and prevent problem that occurs in the future. Friend, basically, root cause analysis, if you just see these three terms, root cause analysis. uh, Friend, if you works in any organization, um, you will notice that there are so many issues are occurring in the project. And it happens that many times it happens that the problem which you are facing, it is basically not the real problem which is occurring, due to which the productivity is not increasing. There are some other causes, there are some other factors due to which the results are not coming, and that is called, this type of analysis is called as root cause analysis. For example, if you are working in any project and you notice that it happens many times that we are missing the timelines and deadlines. This is a frequent factor, this is a very frequent phenomena, that we are missing the timelines each and every time. Why it happens? So when you do the root analysis, you have noticed that it happens many times that the scope was not clear to the technical lead, technical persons, and due to that reason they were not fulfilling the requirement, and they are missing the timelines and deadlines. This was the main cause of reason, that they don't have the clear vision, they don't have the clear clarity about the scope of work. Due to that reason, not they are not clear about the requirement, and they are missing the timelines. Any one of another reason is that because they don't have the clear visibility about the project, about the scope of work, so due to that reason their interest in the project was very low, because they don't know what's going on, what's to implement. So due to that reason their interest was very low. Okay, so that was the reason that the development team was not fulfilling the requirement, and they are not delivering the task on time. Due to that reason the project was delaying. So see friend, here try to understand that example. It was just a very simple example. The reason that is that basically root cause analysis means that you have to understand the problem, to understand the problem from the root level. Root level means that from grassroots level, from the basic level, at the drill down level, you have to understand the problem, and once you identify the problem, then you can take the action to solve that, to solve that problem. Are you getting my point? First of all, if you are facing some problem, you have to do the root cause analysis. Root cause analysis means that not try to solve the things which are just you are just facing. Okay, this is not the problem. You have to identify the root cause of problem. For example, I have noticed in my life is that, for example, if projects are not delivering on time, So one of the very basic, very main reasons is that the employees are not happy with the management. For example, let me give you a very genuine reason that why employees are not happy. For example, their appraisals were not good. Due to that reasons, the employees were not happy with the management and they are not giving their 100%. This was the main reason. This was the root cause. Due to that, they are not delivering the task. This was not the reason that they are not technically competent. They are fully competent to deliver the things. However, because they are not happy with the company, because due many reason, because their appraisals were not good, their increments were not good. So due to that reason, they are not fulfilling, they are not giving their 100% and projects were getting delayed. So friend, root cause analysis means that you have to understand the problem at the root level. First of all, you have to identify the problem from at the root level. Okay, then you have to identify the solution and then implement the solution, and then after some time you have to review that the solution which you have implemented, either it's fulfilling, either it's giving you the results or not. If it's still not giving you the result, then again you have to do the root cause analysis and try to solve the problem. Friend, the very basic approach for root cause analysis is to ask why. Why means, friend, um, for example, if the project was not delivering on time, so as a project manager you have a right to ask that why project is not getting on time, why tasks are not delivering on time, why ABC resource was not available on time, why the quality assurance team has not fully checked the delivery, why the development team has not fulfilled the requirements. So friend, see, as a project manager you should have a clear vision. The scope of mind should be clear in your mind, and you should have to ask the questions why. When you keep asking the questions why, then you will be analyzing the issue, and then you can reach at some drill down level at which there will be no why, and you are reached to a root level. So that is called as the approach of root cause analysis. So friend, what is the approach for root cause analysis? First of all, you must provide the problem should be clear in your mind first of all. Then gather the data concerning to the problem. Once you have the solid data, analyze the problem by asking why. Same question, why. Ask the questions why. Okay, why project is not delivered on time, why resources were not available, why the alternate solutions were not identified, why the development team has missed the scope, etc. So you should have to have the ability to ask the questions why. Once identified, you can then analyze the cause for those that are changeable for prevention. First of all, then you have to identify the causes of issues. Then do the brainstorming sessions, discuss with each other, and try to find out some solution, reach out some solution, and implement that solution. Okay. Once you reach to a drill down level, to a level at which further why is not possible, then you have to identify the but then you have to do the brainstorming session. Brainstorming session means discuss with your team, discuss with your seniors, try to find out some solutions, and then once you identify the solution, you have to implement that solution to solve the problem. So friend, this is a very basic approach is that first of all the problem statement should be clear in your mind, that what is problem. Gather the relevant data from the teams. Okay, once you have the solid data, then you have to keep the ask the question why it's happened, why the teams were not available on time, etc. Then ask the questions why, and then try to find the root cause of the problem. Once you reach to a root cause level, then do the brainstorming sessions, and after brainstorming session do the try to find out and the solution and implement that solution. Example of that, friend, very simple example I want to give it here. Whenever we implement, very simple example, whenever we deploy ABC release on a production, it has issues and customer not satisfied with the with the release. It happens every time, each and every time. Whenever you deploy a solution, deploy a release at production, it has issues. So what is the approach here by using the root cause analysis? First of all, define and understand the problem. Determine the causal factors. Causal means things which are not as per the routine. Determine the relationship between causal factor by using, you can use fishbone diagrams, etc. And determine the root cause analysis and then implement the solution. Simply friend, first of all you have to identify the problem. Exactly what is the problem? The problem statement should be clear in your mind, what is actually happening. Then you have to identify the relevant data, the causal factors. For example, here causal factor means things which are not as per the routine. You have to notice that as per the routine, for example, the data space should be like that, now it is not like that. For example, configuration should be like that, now it is not like that. Then you have to identify, then you have to ask the questions why and determine the root cause of the problem. Once you identify the root cause, then do some brainstorming session, discuss with your seniors, discuss with your technical leads, and then identify a solution to the problem. And once you identify the solution, you have to implement that solution. So friend, that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues. And thanks a lot for your time. And that's all from my side. Thank you.